Welcome back to the Aussie Adventures. Hi, we're Stephen, Jess and Hunter, a little family who are currently living out of our van full-time as we do a complete lap of Australia. However, we said goodbye to our van for an incredible 3-month trip through America, and now we have finally returned to finish what we started.
This is the ultimate, Aussie bathtub.
But as it's been a while since we've lived in such a tiny space, and our toddler is getting much bigger, we are slowly readjusting to full-time van life. And this morning we said goodbye to the ACT as we drove Cooper into his 6th state, Victoria.
So we've just jumped off the highway and we are officially going into the Aussie outback. I've missed this.
Definitely feeling rusty, a little bit nervous. Are we gonna make it? But the coolest places to camp are the places that are a little annoying to get to.
Someone woke up very sad. You're coming on the last little adventure with us? Are you excited to go camping? Do you think we should set a campfire up?
Oh.
And guess what Mummy bought? I got marshmallows.
Oh.
Looks like we're going to have good views. Whoa, it's muddy. Hunter, do you think we're going to get stuck in the mud? You do. Look at all the mud, Steve, watch out. Oh my gosh, we are slipping and sliding. Whoa, Coops.
Oh, we're drifting there. Wow. Wow, so we just pulled up here in the middle of nowhere in Victoria. And the most incredible views. This place is so beautiful. Almost got bogged on the way in, but we got here, which means we can hopefully get out, but that's a future problem.
We're here.
Yay.
Yay.
You're driving? Beep, 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 beep.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Is it fun being back in Cooper?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Oh, peekaboo. Hi, Hunter. This feels good. We've literally within the day gone from the two extremes of a city staying at a caravan park to a very wet and marshland spot to park our van, but it feels good. We forgot that Cooper has some quirks to him that we are still remembering, like the battery, which just never got solved.
I was cooking and everything's turned off.
And we're in the middle of nowhere.
We're in our swamp.
But I flipped the switch. Oh, we're back. Whew, this is not the place for the battery to stop working. We thought we fixed it months ago, but obviously there's still some quirks we need to work through.
Okay, I think it is time to go and explore this spot.
Is that a big puddle?
Oh, no.
Yes, this is a stockyard bar.
Alright, what have we got?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, you see the guitar?
So good.
What do you want me to play? Bowl, Mummy's bowl, Daddy's bowl.
Oh.
This is called tofu and carrot. Can you say tofu?
Don't.
Little bit of sauce?
Okay.
Okay. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Woo! Saucy. Cheers. You know what I also think is cool? Last time we were in the van, Hunter was eating from a high chair. And now she's sitting at a table. Why are you so big? You're so grown up now. That's so good, huh?
I haven't had your home cooking in ages. You've been living off Disney World for the last 3 weeks.
Look at this.
That looks good.
Good work, Hunter. I have a surprise for you. You have to go outside and then you have to close your eyes.
Oh.
And then I'll say 1, 2, 3. Then you open
Oh.
and then you'll see the surprise. Are you ready? Close your eyes. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. And open and look. What's that? Is that a campfire? What do we need at the campfire? Do we need marshmallows? Do you want me to go get them? Should we go do it? Okay. You want to open?
took my heaviest book and I placed you inside.
Kiss. Okay, last one, remember? So extra
With each
slow.
breath that you took,
Extra.
Guys.
I'm like getting emotional watching her eat a marshmallow. Because remember how little she was when she had her first one when we left in the van?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Hunty, you're growing too fast. That's so lame. You look so big. Oh, Hunter. You're so big now. Look at you, Papa.
Why are you getting so big?
Do you remember what she looked like when she had her first Marshie?
Yeah,
It was on our first night of the van. And now we're leaving with like a teenager. Do you want me to go cook it? Oh, shit. Okay, this is the last one, okay? Okay, last one, so we have to eat this one extra slow, don't we?
Yeah.
before your petals could fall.
Hunter, can you turn the lights off, please?
Remember how to do it?
I do.
Please,
I do.
Oh, one more.
I do. What? I.
Hunter, are you excited for pancakes?
I do.
Yeah?
Last one.
Yay!
Oh, look what Dad's got.
Yay!
Is it good?
I do.
Oh, is that your one, huh? Having a bit of Dad's?
So good it makes you dance. So this afternoon we've headed out and we found a local little swimming hole. There is no one here but us. I'm going to spend the afternoon having a dip in the water. Well, Stephen will have a dip. I just put my toes in and it is freezing. But Hunter's having fun playing with the stones. Cheers. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ooh, refreshingly ice. I think that is the descriptive word I'm choosing. Gotta do it. Woo! That is so lovely. It's such a nice swimming spot, and I can't believe we have this entire spot to ourselves. Just us and our little fam. It's super interesting. This is just fresh water that's been fed in, and of course there's been some rains. You can see either end of the pool is gushing water. Luckily where I am, it's fine, but it's pretty cool just to see it in. I think this is a very popular spot in summer.
She literally picked up like a rock this big. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
You guys go.
Fresh eggs for $6. Aw, late on the 2nd of April, Saturday. I think Hunter's gonna enjoy these eggs. You mind just checking if they're fresh?
Oh, there's Easter eggs. That's so cute. Eggs for brekkie tomorrow. Oh, that's so sweet.
Oh.
You say Happy Easter.
I think this is
Easter. It's gonna be your first proper Easter egg hunt this year. Ready?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I don't think she knew what was inside it.
Yay.
What is it?
You did it.
Oh, it's got caramel in the middle. Look. There you go. Slowly close your eyes and just go, mmm.
We just wanted to say a quick thank you to the Tourism Philippine Board and the Department of Tourism Philippines for sponsoring this segment of the vlog, as the Philippines is now open and welcoming back travelers from visa-free countries thanks to their easy quarantine-free travel. So now that we're back in Cooper and continuing to finish our lap of Australia, you can't help but dream what's next. And honestly, we had so much fun exploring back in 2019, from touching down in Manila and getting lost in one of the largest malls we've ever been to heading up north for a 3-day hike through ancient rice terrace fields, staying with locals overnight and trying some delicious Filipino food. From there, we went and camped in an active volcano before making our way down south to the incredible El Nido. Seriously, one of the most stunning spots we've ever been to. So let us know below if you've ever wanted to visit the Philippines. Plus, if you haven't checked out, go check out our Philippines series below. And if there's a spot we've missed, let us know where we should visit next time. Now, let's head back to our lap of Australia. So we've just come back to the swamp for the night. And a lot of you ask, where do we go to the toilet when Cooper does not have a toilet? Well, it's quite easy. Here in Australia, you can literally find public toilets everywhere. And in the case of the swamp, I want to show you guys what it looks like. So they have an outhouse, a dunny here. And I haven't gone to check it out yet. Oh, it's in this little shed. There's a water tank up there, so there must be running water. Not bad. Normal toilet and flushing water. This is all you need. One tip, if you're not Australian, I feel like you just get taught this in Australia, is whenever you come to a toilet that's a dunny, just do the spider check first before sitting down. Oh yeah, next question. We do have a shower on Cooper, but we found out that this farm has a bathroom that's a little more open plan.
I think this is the ultimate, like, Aussie bathtub. Look at this. Hunter, do you see the hot tub? This has got to be the most rustic bathtub we have ever been in. It's just like they got an old bathtub, created their own chimney, and if you want to heat it up, you just put wood in it, and if you want to turn it down, you just turn the tap on. Okay, I'm coming up. Hi. You say bath. We've said goodbye. Beach day. We've said goodbye to the farm, and as Hunter has said, we've come to the coast for a beach day.
I think we need to bring out the beach chairs. I can't remember the last time we brought them out. Shall I put this one on? And does Hunter want to put this one on? Okay. I think we're ready for the beach. Beach day?
Is this your cubby house? Mommy coming in? Okay. Can't be a beach day without some snacks, so I made something special and she keeps closing her eyes. Look what Mummy made. Guacamole!
You know what? Throughout all our travels, nothing beats a beach day back home in Australia. Whoa, what do you got? Grapes.
We had such a nice day at the beach and now we are ending it, watching the sunset. I can see cliffs and the water are just crashing on it. There's a little fish and chip place, so we grabbed some fish and chips. And then I already saw that you got them, Steve. We were talking about, should we get them, shouldn't we get them? They did hot jam donuts.
Oh, we don't need to show Hunter that just yet. She needs to have some more.
Oh my goodness, just look at this view. Happy?
So happy.
This has got to be one of the most beautiful spots that we've ever stayed.
Forgot just how much I love Australia's beaches. I've missed this. This is so incredibly beautiful. So thankful to call Australia home. But this is what we can wake up to.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world.
After spending the last 2 days readjusting the van life and seeing if it's still for us, I think it's 100% for our family. The last 2 days have been absolutely incredible. Now the big question is, where do we go next? I wonder if this has any tips on where we can go. Jokes aside, guys, this is so exciting. It's the first time we've ever had a front page magazine. Plus, on top of that, it's here in Cooma, and also they've done a 4-page full spread on us. It was so exciting to pick this up and see it in the shop. So if you guys wanted to pick one up and see us on the front of a magazine, go check out It's Caravan and Camping with Kids. I'll leave a link below if you are overseas and want to pick one up, but this is so exciting. And if you guys know where we should travel to next, leave it in the comments below, because we still have a bit more of Australia to do. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you're new here, please hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!